in many communities, especially when it comes to ancestral land, how do we balance the respect between culture and constitutional guarantees that prohibits maybe discrimination against widows and daughters?
I can only say that I'm aware of, again, just reading the papers, I'm not a legal person. I'm aware of a number of cases where some widows have gone to court.
Yes.
Because they have been discriminated against, and the courts have ruled in their favor. I'm aware of several cases where married daughters have gone to court, also demanding a share of the inheritance, and the courts have agreed with them. So the issue is, indeed, we have different customary practices in Kenya, but we have one constitution. And what I've been advised is that, you know, where there is a disparity between the two, and if somebody goes to court, the courts will side with the constitution more than the customary practices. And I think that makes sense, you know, because I mean, like, I don't know, we have 42 or 50 tribes. Now, if everybody was going to, you know, to manage their affairs on the basis of their tribes, then it's very difficult to even get alignment as a nation. And that's why the constitution is supreme. So indeed, I think we need to bear that in mind, that even where there is a disagreement, where there is disparity between the two of them, the constitution's provisions will prevail. Yeah.
And you know, there's the aspect of, when it comes to land, fraud. And it's a recurring complaint sometimes where relatives dispose of land even before succession. They conceal assets, and maybe in some cases they exclude legitimate beneficiaries. When you look at the existing legal framework within matters of land succession, is it sufficient to deter these practices, and where do we need stronger enforcement?
Actually, two things, as you say, the issue about disposal before the inheritance process is completed. You get, if you don't have a title deed and you're selling, you will not get the real value of that property. So first of all, you're going to lose, because those that are willing to buy, they're also aware of the risks that they're taking, that the matter could be challenged and they can even lose their money. So one, you're going to get, the seller will get less money compared to if they waited until the succession process is completed and then sold at that level. Two, the issue of fraud is in everything. I mean, and that is not just in land. The issue about fraud is even banks, we hear about fraud. The other day we were hearing about payroll in governments. You know, there are people that, you know, are earning what they're not supposed to earn. And that we must leave it to the normal legal process to determine. Yeah.